Okay, so some of the teachers were saying students were wondering how you can edit assignments right on Showbie. So if your teacher has posted an assignment in Showbie, like this one, for example, that I've posted for my students, if you click on the assignment and it opens up right on the screen, you'll see these tools all at the top. So we have a pen, a highlighter, an eraser, a comment bubble, voice note, and a text box. So I'm going to show you how each of these work on the assignment. So if I'm wanting to use the pen, you can take this. There's actually other tools within the pen, like if you need to make lines for anything, and you can change colors. So if I'm wanting to use the pen, you can just put marks on the document. If you're wanting to use a line, you can actually do things like that. If you don't like something, you can use the eraser and erase it. Highlighter works much the same as the pen, where you can actually take and change the colors. You can create lines. A comment box is just a comment. So if you're just wanting to say something like maybe hello or something like that, you can hit save, and then the comment comes up. There's also a text box where you can write text right on the document. So if you're wanting to write actual words down without having to use the marker, you can actually put a text box on the document. So if you're wanting to answer something, maybe you would just put, I'm just going to use hello as an example, but you can put the words there. And then you can actually move the box to wherever it goes by moving it around. So if you had like a fill in the blank thing, you could use this if you're wanting to type instead of use the pen, like I said. So you can actually move that around. And then when you're happy with where it is, you can click off of it and it'll just drop it down. Voice memo would be if you're wanting to record a voice onto your assignment. So maybe if you had to say something about something you wrote down and you just wanted to clarify it. So you can do all of these things right on here. And then when you are finished with it, you just have to make sure you hit done and everything will save right on here. If you have a multi-page assignment like this one, like the same page 104, you can scroll through them. If you only have time to do like one page at a time, it will save as you go along. So if you hit done for this time, if you need to go back and do a second page, if I click on it again, all of the stuff I did was saved. So you just need to go to the next page and then you can edit again. Just make sure at the end of everything you do that you want to keep, you click done. Otherwise, it will be not saved. So you don't want to be finishing your work and then not having it saved. So make sure you click done for it to save. So whenever you're finished, like I said, click this, done, and then the assignment is there and it's completed, and the teacher will be able to see the work that you've done on the assignment. So hopefully that clarifies like what you need to do. I know some people are taking screenshots and those are perfectly fine, but you don't necessarily have to. If you use the tools that are right on Showbie, it kind of eliminates that extra step.